Hey, good Tuesday morning, everybody. Still cold out. We got one more cold day to go, and it's going to warm up nicely to high 70s into the 80s by the weekend. So I do believe that spring has sprung here in Florida. You guys up north, man, I hope that snow melts quick and you guys can get after it. Today we got one house wash to do. Yesterday I gave a tip to call older customers that you had last year around this time, and in the following months, March and April. I made some calls, filled up all next week in March, so we're on our way, and we had some regular customers call as well. So we are starting to pick up, and if you are slow, that's a good tip. Just look back on your records last year, make a few phone calls, see if they're ready to see you again, and then this way you can drum up some work. Had a guy out in Texas, he told me that he did exactly that yesterday. He got him a couple jobs for today. All right, so we're going to be doing a single story wash today, and when I pull up to a house, I look to see where the water is first. That's the first thing you want to do, is locate the water. This way you know how to set the job up, boom, accordingly, and then you always go to the opposite direction of where the water is, so when you rinse back around, you can just reel everything back to the rig. All right, I'm Don from Superblast, helping beginners get started and do things correctly. All right, let's get after it. All right, good morning, everybody. We're at the job. I already showed in the yesterday's video and Friday's video how you set up downstream injection. This is your injector, this is your line, this is the hose that goes to the SH tank. If you want to know about the tips and all that, look back at yesterday's video. Can't do class every day, but you see all these leaves? They're going to be in my way to start things out because I want to SH the driveway down. So what are we going to do about that? Another wash jet tip situation. All right, you see the gutters, they're all dirty, dingy. This is a regular customer. I was just at his buddy Don's down the block the other day. Take this reef off here. Let's put it up there on top of the bush. Everything will be fine. Let's take a look at the rest of the place. It's just real dirty and dingy. See it? See those gutters up there? Let's go over and have a look at this. Oh yeah, see how dirty that is up there? Look how black the gutters are all along that way. All the way down to the pool cage, all right? We're not gonna do the cage today, we're just doing the house. And we're gonna start the job right here. And the first thing I'm gonna do, get these leaves out of here. Then we'll SH the driveway down. Then we'll go ahead and get after the house. Start here on the corner, go all the way around to the pool, rinse it all the way back, get this driveway done. Head down that side over there, the little part of the back that's left. We're out of here. Simple as pie. All right, let's watch this wash jet tip action. We'll be right back. All right, let's have some leaf removal. All right, just that easy, all right? Let's get after it. Okay, as you can see, that was pretty easy to get the leaves out of the driveway. Now we're all done SH in the driveway, and we got the garage part of the house done. Now we're gonna work our way around that way to the pool cage. Like I said, we'll rinse our way back. We'll get the hose on this side of the property. Then we'll go ahead and mini mondo this off. And the sidewalk's painted, so we won't have to mini mondo it. We'll just rinse it off with the wand. Then we'll be done with this job, all right? Let's go ahead and set this over here. And let's get after it. All right, we got everything SH down. 3/4 of the house is done. See how nice some gutters are coming? All that black stuff is completely gone. That's coming pretty good. We'll hit that again with some more SH. That's all looking good right there. Just the only trouble spot right there. A couple little darker spots over there, but they'll clean right up. We'll just hit this again. Go have a couple sips of coffee. That spot right there is what I'm talking about. I don't think you've seen it like here. Anyway, we'll be back. Let's get after it. Yep, sometimes you just got to hit stuff again. That's some pretty stuff mold. Now, that should clear up. If it doesn't, we'll grab the pump up, spray it, and that stuff will be gone. Matter of fact, as tough as it's looking, well, let's try the wash stick kit. Let's see what happens. Alright, that's pretty good. Now we'll just hit it again with some SH and it'll be fine. Alright, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's how you do it. Now for the satisfying rinse. All right, the house is squeaky clean again. Now we're going to get after this driveway. Now you notice I got all the hose over there. Got the ball valve hanging on the hose reel right there. So where are we going to start? Right here. Hose management. Always keep the hose from being a pain in the neck. So if you manage it, don't be hosed by the hose, okay? All right, let's get after it. Now we're going to go ahead and post treat it. There is a couple spots that might need to pump up at the end of the job. We'll check it. We'll let this SH soak on here while we go down the other side of the house. All right? Let's get after it. Okay, let's check this out live. Let's take the whole lot to do a perfect job. Always post treat and treat it. Come on. street. Now we can just go ahead and go right on down the side of the house in the back, finish this job up, all right? We'll be back for a final review. I think you've seen enough for one day.